The era of the $1.80 spot rate isn't just a bad season, it's a permanent trap. Most owner-operators are staring at load boards like DAT1 or Truck Stop, fighting 50 other drivers for the same low-paying freight. But while you're fighting for the scraps, a small group of smart carriers are bypassing the middleman entirely. They aren't looking at load boards, they are looking at the source. In 2026, as the fraud war cleans out the brokers you used to trust, the companies with the actual freight, the shippers, are terrified. They are losing their reliable trucks, and they are looking for professional, direct partners. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to stop being a load board slave and start becoming a direct asset. If you want to survive the June capacity reset we talked about in the last video, you need to learn how to hunt. So, where is the money hiding? It's not in an app, it's on Google Maps. Most drivers use GPS just to find a fuel stop, but the pros use it for industrial reconnaissance. Here is the secret. You aren't looking for trucking companies, you are looking for manufacturers. Specifically, you want to target companies that produce high-density, low-value goods. Think of lumber mills, plastic pipe manufacturers, or paper plants. These companies have consistent, heavy volume that brokers often mess up. When you find an industrial park on the outskirts of a major city, don't just look at the names, look at the dock infrastructure. If a building has 20 dock doors, but only 5 trailers in the yard, they have a capacity problem. That is your golden ticket. They have product that needs to move, and they are likely tired of paying a broker 30% off the top just to have a no-show driver. This is where you step in. Now, most drivers fail here because they call and ask, "Do you have any loads?" That is the wrong question. Shippers hear that every day from desperate brokers. To get direct freight, you have to sound like a solution, not a solicitor. You need to speak the language of reliability. When you get the shipping manager on the phone, your script should be, "I'm a local owner-operator with consistent capacity in the insert region, lane. I noticed you've had high volume lately, and I'm looking to dedicate a truck specifically to your outbound freight to eliminate your brokerage headaches." Notice what you didn't mention? Price. Shippers pay for peace of mind. If you can prove that your MC is clean, your ELD compliance is 100%, and you are the actual guy driving the truck, you are a unicorn to them. You are offering them a direct line to the person who actually has the keys. That is worth an extra $1 per mile to a manager who is tired of being lied to by a double broker in a call center. To close the deal, you need your professional toolkit. Shippers won't give a $10,000 contract to a guy with a messy folder. You need a digital carrier packet ready to send in 10 seconds. This packet must include your FMCSA safety rating, your proof of $100,000 cargo insurance, and most importantly, your ELD integrity report. Show them you are running a compliant, legal operation. In the 2026 market, legal is the new luxury. Shippers are terrified of negligent hiring lawsuits. If you can prove you are a safe, compliant professional, they will choose you over a cheaper broker every single time. This is how you lock in a 6-month contract while everyone else is fighting for daily spot loads. Capacity reset hits its peak in June. If you start making these connections now, in May, you will be the one holding the contracts when the spot market explodes. Don't wait for the rates to go up to find the shippers. Find the shippers now, so you are the one they call when the brokers fail them. I've put a template for a direct shipper email in the description below. Copy it, change the names, and start sending it to 10 companies a day. The market isn't dead. The old way of doing business is dead. It's time to adapt. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.